Hi friends, my name is Pranav and you are watching my YouTube channel Unboxing Tech. Today I have a Flipkart smartbuy charger with me, which is a product of Flipkart itself. You can see Flipkart smartbuy branding on the front of the box. On the back, the product is imported by Flipkart India Private Limited. The model name is EC112M. The charger is in black color. You get one normal charger and one normal USB cable with this. The price quoted on the box is 499 rupees, but you can buy this item from Flipkart for around 399 rupees. The product is made in China. Let's quickly unbox the item. You can see a standard USB cable and the main part of the product, a USB charger. The USB charger is in good quality. There is a Flipkart Smart 5 branding on the USB charger. The USB charger is rated at 2 ampere. You can get a 2 ampere output current from this USB charger. For this price, this is a good item. You can consider this if you are looking for a USB charger. Thank you for watching my video.